Mahima Creations
proudly presents Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam Bam!
Bye-bye. Namaskar.
Namaste.
Namaskara.
Vanakkam.
Khushamadid. Satal.
Meekandariki vandanam.
Jai Swaminarayan.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Jaledra.
Ismail Bhabad Guldeya Alimada.
मौला अली मदद बोलते हैं सारे फीजी मंदिर को बोलेंगे नीसा बराबर जाए हम लोग बोलेंगे बाइडेन और हैरिस जी को हमारी तरफ से प्यार भरा congratulations. That's why Reddy Hotties is wishing Biden and Harris the duo actually are right now. Joe Biden, oh my God, so President Joe Biden of United States of America, the Vice President of United States of America, Kamala Devi Harris.
Yeah.
So nice actually. Fine. You're done with the pens and literally it's actually a penance. Literally taking a, oh my God, like 4 years of that nightmare and we're waking up to all this stuff. My God, suddenly I feel like as though Corona is gone totally. Like, it's gone.
Huh.
It took a Corona to actually drive him out of the White House. Can you imagine?
Oh.
Sometimes look at the positive Faltwani, but the negative also is there. Corona.
Oh.
And of course, we're getting a lot of news about what's happening with coronavirus. So here in California, you guys know, every time we go on, I will tell you guys, please try to see if you can contain the virus. Social distancing, as in physical distancing, very, very important. 6 feet distance. Wear masks, sanitize. One thing good about, Faltwani, this particular 2020.
Yes,
In 2021, everybody has got really super clean hands.
Really?
Yeah, they're not getting their hands dirty anymore.
Gee, what nonsense.
As it was, they don't want to get started. Nobody's getting to work right away. So.
Okay, whatever, man. Seriously.
Okay, and I think President Joe Biden, we get used to that. President Joe Biden actually is, oh my God, I'm going to start talking good about the president right now, Faltwani.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my God, he probably might extend the, he already has extended, right? Isn't that an executive direction he already has given out for people, federal buildings to actually mandate mask wearing?
It's already done. He signed 17 executive actions as of today, Banajan.
Yeah.
Old bill has gone to Congress for immigration reform.
That's nice, right? Isn't that good? I like it. And of course,
And he said day one he'll hit the ground running and they're not wasting any time whatsoever.
Thank you so much for that. And I would say thank you so much, President Biden. Thank you so much for that. Well, Faltwani, today I thought we should actually do something very interesting today, right?
Always do something interesting, Alto Baba. Today I thought something
adding
interesting.
value, enriching our bandhu's lives.
Ha.
And of course, today I thought I should actually bring our wisdom Wednesdays, Faltwani.
Wisdom Wednesdays.
Words of wisdom. Whenever we go through hardships is what we become wiser, right?
Yeah.
We have been through a lot of hardship. Last year was a lot of hardship. Now, I want to ask you guys, what is that wisdom which you gained? Now, when you say wisdom, wisdom, how can I be a wise man? See, wisdom comes out of experience. Knowledge comes out of whatever everything else, right? Knowledge does not equate to wisdom. Knowledge might equate to intelligence.
This does not necessarily equate to wisdom.
It can definitely equate to wisdom.
Yes.
Right? So we have been through a tough time, 4 years, and one really bad time. I am sure there's some takeaway for you guys.
Right.
Something which you learned. And आज आप यहाँ पे share करने वाले हैं हमारे साथ ब्रदरजान. And you know what we are going to do, Faltwani?
What we're going to do, Alto
We are
Baba?
going to share some of the wisdom of our Bollywood.
Kya? Okay, what is the wisdom you're going to ask them to share, Alto Baba?
They're going to share their wisdom, what they have to share about the whole thing, right?
I was thinking, Alto.
Yeah.
How many times, there's a lot of times that we say that we have friends. Many of us, during this last 4 years, we lost friends also.
Yeah.
We saw some parts or some aspects of our friends will come out which are really scary.
Yeah.
I know a few people that I had to drop as my friends purely because of value conflicts.
Value conflicts.
Yeah, complete value conflicts.
Really, they were not good friends. They were not at all friends,
No, what shocked me was the misogyny and the absolute bigotry that came shining through in their support of and the way they would even talk to me, or would not engage in a proper debate, but then would actually patronize and condescend, and talk like that. So, in any case, one thing that I thought today, since we're talking about healing and we're talking, the theme of the day is unity and healing and all that, I wanted to see if we can share not just the wisdom that we have learned.
Are you talking about share or share?
What?
CHER or
We can share. How can we share be a verb, Altu Baba? CHER.
that's why I said she's a lady, right?
We can share SHARE, Bandhujan.
Yeah, okay, what?
We can share maybe one life lesson that we've learned from somebody else.
That's also a good answer, Falguni. I like that. Let's stick to that one actually.
You know, some wisdom that you that somebody else is doing or has from somebody else's experience, not your own personal experience, but you've seen something that somebody else is doing and you have incorporated that in your life and you felt that thing that you want to share with everybody.
Yeah.
You know, like it could be something as simple as, oh, you know, this person washes their car a certain which way, right? And it actually helps on saving water, and that's something that I learned. Or maybe somebody opted the way somebody does, I don't know, organic, what do you call that? Composting and that gardening thing. It could be something as simple as that, like, you know, giving back. Something else that you saw from somebody else. Or maybe the fact that how a person handles a situation.
Yeah.
And you've learned from that that particular experience. So something that you've learned from somebody else's experience, Manjan. That
Faltani.
wisdom we're asking you today to share with us. What do you
That
think?
is so nice. Faltani, let's do that as a theme. And I can think of dialogues of Hindi cinema which actually have wisdom in them.
Okay.
Padujan, Faltani, sometimes, you know, I feel so proud I've actually trained you very well.
What?
I feel proud that I've trained you very well.
Okay, fine.
It's okay. Just say yes. I agree with you.
Alto doing? Why are you like suddenly stopping to talk?
I'm not doing anything. I'm just trying to see whether you had something else to share. You know, give it time, Faltani. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So, yeah, okay. Vanujan, so number to call is 408-912-2479. So, आज है words of wisdom. So, call up and share with us what is the wisdom you might have got from somebody else. Or the experience. Right? Right? Something you learned from somebody. You maybe something which you might say, oh, it's so cliche, I don't want to share. So what if it's cliche? Doesn't matter. Give us a call here. 408-912-2479. 408-912-2479 पे कॉल कीजिएगा अभी के अभी. तो फाल्तनी, you know, I will play a nice song. Okay? This song has got a lot of, wisdom in it.
Okay.
It?
Of course.
I'm asking you a person. No, I should not.
Alto Baba.
Yes, Faltani.
Play the song. Why are you like stopping so many times and very like okay, this is one thing that I have learned, Pandajan. Okay, this is something that I have learned from experience, and I'll share that later. Experience only that I have learned how to breathe and move on. So the number to call us at the studio, Pandajan, 408-912-2479. It is Wisdom Wednesday right here on the Pam Pam Show. What we're asking you is tell us something that you have learned from somebody else's life or somebody else.
Yes.
That you have learned, which is a word of wisdom that you want to share, because it's all about learning from our experiences, right? Not mistakes alone. Experiences. It could be positive, it could be negative, it could be mixed.
Yeah.
So call in 408-912-2479.
And of course, the song is going out to everybody out there who's celebrating today. Joe Biden, President Joe Biden, and Vice President Kamala Harris Badajan. This song is from a production of Meet Brothers Badajan. This actually is what I'm telling them. You know, they're now in the White House. Faltani? Yeah. Biden साहब
पार्टी तो बनती है पार्टी तो बनती है पार्टी तो बनती है पार्टी तो बनती है सब करते खुल्लम खुल्ला लाके अंडर द टेबल तू रावण का दूत तेरी गंदी है करतूत बातों से तू समझ न पाए तू लाता का भूत तेरे गंदे गंदे स्कैम तेरा पूरा हो गया टैम तुझसे ज्यादा गट्स है दूर करूं तेरे वैम अब तेरी खुलेगी पोल इज्जत के बजेंगे ढोल फेस दिखा ना पाएगा जब होंगे एग्जिट पोल
Yeah, Badijan, that's the thing. ये गाना जो है Badijan, actually a very similar kind of a song, Father. You know what song it is?
What song is it, Alto Baba?
Oh, really? Pa 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 pa. Badijan, do you know what song it is?
Hey, Chi, that is not. That's a different song. That's pa 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 pa.
Oh, that's
Bakwas
true.
song. That is. That is such a bakwas song.
Hey, you know what, Father? I got a first welcome Facebook also right now. Facebook पे हमारी मीनाक्षी जी already hello बोल रही है यहाँ पे. Namaste मीनाक्षी जी, welcome. All those people actually joined us on Facebook. Welcome to you too, and yes, welcome to the White House to Biden and also Kamala Harris ji. Well, actually, I want to ask you, Father. Joe Biden, of course, will say the president stay in White House. What about the vice president? They also moved to the White House, is it?
No,
Where do they stay?
they have a separate. There's another place. So somebody actually posted saying it's Kamala Vilas. It seems. But nonsense, fellows. I saw that actually. I was like, why?
That's so clever. Come on, so what? And actually, you know, very nice the way I heard the speech and everything. Father, I was very impressed. Okay, good. They actually have some sense. So, but then, what is the thing you learned from the whole thing? You know what I learned from Joe Biden, Fatani?
What?
With Joe Biden, I learned that, you know, you have to be resilient.
Yeah.
That's what I take from the guy. And you know, he brought in so much of energy towards the end. You would think, oh my God, the first part when all the Democratic conventions going on, like, you felt like as if he was like slacking and all very tired or whatever. 78, man. Look at he actually is gung-ho about things. That's why, like, you know, it's very inspiring. That's what I take from him, Fatma.
You know what I took away from this, Alto Baba?
Please.
One thing is, many of us were rooting for Hillary. Okay, many of us. America still doesn't have a female president, right? There were many people who then didn't vote because people were rooting for Bernie, and then all that divide happened, and they learned a lesson and they came together now, right? So 81 million people voted for Joe Biden. One thing that I learned, even though a female candidate did not win the nomination for presidency in the United States of America. One thing that I really liked about Joe Biden, and is something a lot of us can learn, right? It came shining through in some remarks that he did to his staff today, Alto Baba.
Oh, wonder what is that? Please
Is the
say to us.
fact that he, despite the fact that he was toned down by his own during the primaries, right? The presidential primaries. She called him out how many times? Senator Kamala Harris. She called him out, and she, basically went to the extent of pulling him, calling him. It was, more of him out on his redlining and all that stuff, right? What I really liked was the humility. The fact it requires a lot of humility to be able to, yes, you might say, oh, it's very smart political stance to, get her to be his vice president. But look at the humility that a person should have to be able to work collaboratively with somebody who had this notion of you, and to be able to say, okay, yes, I was wrong in certain things that I did at that time, and I'm, or maybe this is how you helped me move on. It requires a lot of humility, right? I think that's a huge lesson to learn. And today, for those of you who've been, and I've been watching and listening to every single bit of a video clip that I can get a hold of. And this was one particular thing where he actually he's addressing his staff, and he's talking about the fact that make no mistake. He says, yes, we have to move forward. It's a very positive speech. It says, if I ever see anybody treat anybody with disrespect and not in a civil okay, and if he derides anybody else, he says, I will fire you on the spot, and he repeats it twice. I will fire you on the spot. No, make no mistake. And then he says, the reason I will do that is because we've had to on. Everybody deserves to be treated with dignity, and we need to uphold our basic American value of humility. That was the first thing that came out of his mouth.
Wow, Fatwani, I am totally impressed by your way of thinking about these things. Very good.
Yeah. I mean, when you treat someone with disrespect, no matter how you know, how good you are or how bad they are or whatever, right? It just is. You also are looking bad because you're not respecting that person or that individual for who they are. It could just be an opinion that person is having. So anyway, this is something that I took away from.
Wonderful, Faltoni. And here's what I'm going to do, Balajan. I'm going to give you a particular challenge right now. People might be thinking like, how will I say, oh my God, social distancing, physical, I'm not able to meet anybody and all stuff. So first of all, welcome, Annaji. Kaise hain aap? So here's what I'll do. How about I give you a dialogue, which I think has got a lot of, it's of course a Bollywood dialogue, Balajan. What is the video shows about, right? So one particular, I'll ask you this now. You can actually, here's an open thing for you guys. A dialogue written by somebody, right? For a movie, of course.
Okay.
Right? I don't know the dialogue, I don't know who the script writer for the particular movie was, but anyway, it was a very famous movie, right? I'll try to bring dialogues from famous movies. Let's see if you guys can actually identify this, because we have done something called as Wednesdays before, right? We talked about all the funny dialogues, right? Now, how about we talk about the other side of dialogues?
Okay.
Dialogue which actually makes sense for people, which actually has some wisdom in it.
Okay.
Right, Faltoni? Now the thing. There's one particular dialogue of a particular movie. Even if you give me the hero's name, heroine's name, or even just give me the movie name also, it's fine. Or a song for the movie also, it's fine. Okay?
Okay.
I will give it to you. Right?
Okay.
सपने देखो, जरूर देखो, बस उनके पूरे होने की शर्त मत रखो.
That clearly is Shah Rukh Khan.
Excuse me, Faltoni.
Yeah.
I was just trying to. I was just trying to give some there. Hello, don't. I'm telling you. सपने देखो, जरूर देखो, बस उनके पूरे तक होने की शर्त मत रखो.
Right.
So, Balajan, do you believe in this thing? I think it's one from there right there. And this is from a Bollywood movie. If you know which movie, give me a call here, 408-912-2479. 408-912-2479. Let's see. Oh my God, answers coming already. Very good, very good. And Anupam Pamji, namaste, kaise hain aap? Very good. Good to see you posting on our post there. Oops, what's happening on our thing? This is animations happening on our thing. Like, people are very excited about the fact that Joe Biden and Kamala Harris are actually on our in our White House already.
Oh,
right?
really?
And our feed, you can see over there, similar now actually is dancing up and down.
Oh.
Let's see if you guys can give us a call here, 408-912-2479. सपने देखो, जरूर देखो, लेकिन उसके पूरे होने की शर्त मत रखो. मीनाक्षी अगर मालूम है तो यहाँ पे कॉल करो ना. अरे यार, don't just post on Facebook. And of course, you got to tell us one more thing. Something you learned from somebody. Yeah?
Something you learned from somebody else.
I don't know. Could be the milkman. Oh,
Something that you
here
feel.
we don't have milkman, right?
When I feel that, when I see that, I know this particular person, and this is the way that person did it. Like, or this is something that I felt is really, really wonderful that this person does, that I wish I could implement in my life, or I have implemented in my life, and it has worked in my favor. So those kind of words of wisdom. Now, of course, we don't want to know if it's something terrible that you've done. We don't want to do that. We're talking about words of wisdom, Balajan. So the number to call the studio, 408
912-2479 408-92479. देखो मीनाक्षी जी, मैंने नहीं बोला, अनुपम दान ने बोल दिया. अनुपम Pam says that you have to give us a call. पहला हक तो आपका होता है, तो कॉल कीजिएगा 408-912-2479 पे.
एक बार और स्टूडियो में नोट कर लीजिएगा बंधुजान, 4922479. ये है आपके लिए स्टूडियो नंबर. Again, 408-912-2479.
Again, 409-122-2479. Let's see if you guys can today take this Total Words of Wisdom Wednesday. तो फादर ने एक कॉल करा, पेश करूँ क्या?
करो यार, करो.
अरे फादर मेरे पास तो मेरा mood फादर is pretty much like this फादर. I'm telling you, Joe Biden is in the office. Trump is in Florida somewhere already, right? No?
Yeah, Mara logo.
He's already gone there?
Mara logo.
Mara lago. Lago re maro. But आज की पार्टी हमारी तरफ से ले लो. Oh my God, that's a song I'm playing also.
Why man? All parties.
Why not?
Okay.
Hey, we have Democrat Party right now.
Celebration, नाचो धनाधन, music बजाओ, कह दो ये सबसे.
I have a very strong feeling we'll only have representation of blue right now.
I don't know. First, people should see. एक चीज है आलतू बाबा, किसी और की जिंदगी में से एक लाइफ लेसन लेना और वो विजडम सीखना, उसके लिए थोड़ी बहुत ह्यूमिलिटी चाहिए.
We talked about life lesson, not life lesson. Garlic butter. आपका बजान this song is wondering which movie it's from. अरे बजरंगी भाईजान का गाना है ब्रदर. I don't think गाने ever came out of the promotion गाना pretty much because फिल्म में तो नहीं है गाना, right फाल्तनी?
Really?
फिल्म में नहीं है फाल्तनी because ये came as a Eid का बात later on, right? Yeah,
Maybe.
because इसमें तो actually it's like you know it was the time when people from Pakistan are coming into India and he's welcoming them and giving the part now, right?
Right,
ये
right.
फिल्म में नहीं है बट लेकिन हमने लगा दिया आप लोगों के लिए. Enjoy कीजिए थोड़ा और and I think this music is from mistaken Pritam. Yeah.
Pritam.
पूरा फ्लोर खिल जाए बात न आए शोर में पार्टी जो न करे उसको डांटा पाए मची है चूर तोड़ के रूह करे वो स्टेप के गर लोग ताए पाए नींद भी गुल जश्न है फूल नाचे चमके के पूरा फ्लोर जाए बात न आए शोर मचाए पार्टी जो न करे उसको डांटा पाए शादी न फंक्शन आ जाओ बंटन आओ जहाज में या भर के ट्रक से
आज की पार्टी well actually आज की पार्टी डबकाच की तरफ से बट जान well anyway I'll tell you what Indonesia was very happy about it. People also very happy. It's an emotional thing Falzwani. People actually are posting really emotional stuff messages on their Facebook and all stuff.
हाँ.
It's very interesting and ये गाना जो अभी आप सुना बट जान आज की पार्टी उनकी तरफ से was सलमान खान की तरफ से probably he'll give the party. The point I'm making here is party करो and people who actually are who supported like Trump and everything probably they'll not be calling in today. Falzwani. I probably they'll not be right.
Think so?
वहाँ पे तो you know थोड़ा बहुत मातम चला रहेगा. They'll be like, oh my God, oh no, and all stuff, right?
I know.
Because you know that particular website called QAnon,
Yeah.
right? That particular website, I believe,
Huh.
had some kind of a conspiracy saying that he'll be a second return of him and all today. He's going to take over Democrats will be jailed and everything. I believe something like that. Some chat box is going on there. I believe.
I told you, right, that the conspiracy theory that, JFK Jr. is not gone.
Oh my God.
And that this is the person, he calls himself Q, and
that a
Donald Trump
lady?
is a messiah. It's a lady who started it. By the way, her Twitter account has also been suspended. Taylor Green, for spreading all the non-kill information. Anyway, these are the people who come to power. क्या करें?
क्या करें? Anyway,
So-
let's go up on the waiting line. Falzwani, namaskar. आपका हर्ष फतेह Pam Pam के Words of Wisdom Wednesday में. Who's this? Hi.
Hello, Pam Pam.
हेलो 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 हेलो
अनुपम पम जी कैसे हैं सर? बहुत दिनों के बाद आप सुन रहे हैं हमें. थैंक यू सो मच. तो आपने फेसबुक बताया कि यू वांट मीनाक्षी टू कॉल फर्स्ट, लेकिन आपने कैसे कॉल कर दी?
क्योंकि वो डिनर कर रही थी, उन्होंने मुझे राइट दिया, तो आई एम कॉलिंग ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ मीनाक्षी जी.
Oh, very nice.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड,
Nice.
वेरी गुड.
Yeah.
तो
so-
बताइए आपने पहचाने कि कौन से फिल्म से वो डायलॉग में निकाला था?
हाँ, ये DDLJ का है. और फरीदा जलाल लाइक काजोल को बोलती है.
वेरी गुड. बट आई वांट
Yeah,
आस्क यू वन थिंग. आपके तो इर्द गिर्द में बहुत सारे ऐसे वाइज लोग हैं. आप भी बहुत वाइज हो अपने वेरी यंग एज. यू आर लाइक अ वेरी विजडम फील्ड पर्सनालिटी. तो आप बोले अनुपम पम जी कि आपके हिसाब से हैव यू लर्न समथिंग फ्रॉम समबडी लाइक कुछ देख किसी को ये सीख मिला मुझे करना?
ओ बहुत सीख मिलता है, रोज ही मिलता है.
हाँ.
जैसे अभी आई डोंट नो इफ यू गाइस फॉलो क्रिकेट. तो अभी डू यू गाइस फॉलो क्रिकेट?
ऑफ कोर्स यस. आई क्रिकेट अगर मिल गया तो मैं उसके पीछे पीछे भाग जाता हूँ.
ओके.
हाँ, बोलो.
इंडिया वर्सेस टेस्ट सीरीज चल रहा था. एंड और India was like in the first match, India got defeated. Not only defeated, but
Very badly
एक inning
defeated.
में 30 पे not out, like really bad.
Yeah, I know.
और उसके बाद विराट कोहली left for his new baby आने वाला था. He left.
हाँ.
And then बहुत सारे, like you can say like 8 to 9 players were injured. And
Injured.
then the new team, new captain, like all the guys who are like playing for the first.
हाँ.
So they like made India find the series by 2-1. And there are a lot of heroes. Like every day there is a different hero. A lot of things to learn. Like one of the example is a guy, Mohammad Siraj. His dad is a like auto rickshaw driver in Hyderabad. And he lost his dad during his tour to Australia. And he got like a 5-wicket haul. 5 wicket is like making a century for a batsman. For bowler, like 5 wickets.
Right.
So we made history. Like Indian cricket team made history by defeating Australia after that particular ground after 32 years. So I'm saying that so many things to learn from this team, and particularly for all these guys who have come from really humble backgrounds. So the resilience, the kind of like resilience they are, there's like the grit and a lot of things to learn, like the kick back attitude. So yeah, I am, and I keep learning from two of you also. Like I follow Faltu Rani Sports, on Facebook. But right, like amazing.
know.
I could like her latest post, like I could really connect to it, like she's feeling, and that's the way we all are feeling right now. So yeah.
Very
Oh,
good.
thank you so much. That's so sweet.
That's so
thank
sweet.
you.
That's
I
so
think you should
sweet.
call regularly, Anupam.
हाँ रोज कॉल करा करो because very rarely people actually do this kind of stuff,
Yeah. Do what kind of stuff? तो अभी वो समझा.
No, read your post I'm talking about.
अच्छा.
It is too long,
Oh my
ना तो.
God.
नहीं अच्छा है very nice. Ajay, I want to ask you one thing. So this particular thing which you learn from the guys, don't you ever feel that sometimes our cricketers who are actually sportsmen should be not allowed to do endorsement, and endorsement actually changes their whole sportsman cadre or whatever it is? What do you think? See, Virat Kohli was not there, so they won. So they should not give Virat Kohli leadership. He should send home, right? Actually, should enough paisa bana liya, chalo jao. 1 lakh ka water piyo, pani piyo, ghar jaake. If he was there, he would have put a lot of pressure probably. You don't feel that?
Yeah, I don't know. Like I'm kind of a person who is more about like what they should do, and if they are doing these things, I'm more for that. So I never thought about it. But yeah, I think definitely, like if I put myself in their position, it's kind of distraction.
Yeah.
But sometimes I feel like, they deserve also the kind of money and fame because, when I read stories about their childhood and their struggle and all that.
I'm all for the part. Deserving, not even talking about, I'm just talking about the fact that when we as a nation want to have a representation of somebody in sports, shouldn't there be actually, people who are not distracted in other things as just winning it, you know what I'm saying? Talent bhi hoti hai, people actually, they have the hunger to actually achieve. That should be there in them as opposed to hunger to actually make money, right?
I think what I'm trying to also say is कि जो इनका credibility होता है as sportsmen or whatever, right? I don't know. This is what I'm taking away. I don't know. I could be completely
go
wrong.
ahead.
You're saying that by endorsing a particular product and taking so much money, you kind of lose that credibility because you're selling your the trust that people have in you.
Yeah.
And if that product is not a good product or
Yeah,
whatever.
and you're not in the line to be actually, you're trying to get fan base to,
What you're saying, I'm not saying that's
I'm
good.
asking if Anupam has thought about it. That's all I'm telling you. I'm not asking
Yeah.
that.
I get your point. But I think it's kind of debatable. I mean, I don't know how much we can put a restriction,
Don't put restriction.
But I have also seen some people like who have denied to, do endorsement for something like, Fair and Lovely and those fairness creams
That's
and
all
all that.
political.
So I have seen even people doing that. So yeah, and then so if it is about cricketer, then there are things about like Bollywood actors. There are a lot of people from everywhere, right? The moment they become famous, these companies go behind them, right, to do some endorsement.
I'm just saying
yeah.
that they might get distracted from the goal of actually what they got into, playing the game, as opposed to just they get engrossed and they get drawn into all other things which a game afterwards. So I'm just I'm just throwing a thought there.
To be fair, Altu Baba,
Yeah.
every sportsman has his day, right? Everybody has a good day and a bad day.
Sure.
अभी सभी आलतू फालतू थोड़ा ना हो सकते हैं कि हर रोज एक झक्का सिक्सर वाला शो मारे, right?
That's true.
And I think मुझे क्या रहता है ना कि so yeah, definitely I can have an opinion on this.
Yeah.
But it's more important. We don't have control. We can't control others, what they are doing, what they are endorsing for, right? Yeah, I can control myself. Like I can just use my own brain, right?
Correct.
What they are doing, correct or wrong or right.
Right.
So that much I think I can be responsible for.
अरे मेरा काम तो बस होता है किसी को ऐसे शेकअप करके भेज दे. बस एक छोटा सा थॉट डाल दिया आपके अंदर की just Virat Kohli was not there, all the high earning people were not there, but people, they won the cup for us.
No, because they knew that they have to bring it home.
Yeah,
they
but that
knew
guy was,
they have to. I
but
mean,
that guy was not depending on that, right? He already had endorsements with him. Let's say for instance, Virat Kohli, he's
Hey,
going
that's-
he's going to rake in 100
बहुत सारे
crores.
questions उठे actually कि like even Australia का coach जो है he was saying कि जब 1 billion people 11 लोगों को चांस मिलता है right
Yeah.
तो
हाँ.
11 लोग बहुत ही लकी भी हैं और बहुत ही अच्छे भी हैं
Correct.
तो मुझे ये लगता है कि हाँ somebody taking advantage of it right
Yeah.
कि मैं तो जैसे अभी किसी की डेथ हो गई he didn't go and there was another player उसका भी baby born हुआ they are like not as established as Virat in the team right so they didn't go they didn't lead
देखा?
the trip
देखा?
so even Sunil Gavaskar was sharing कि उसका भी जब बेबी हुआ था उसने कितने महीनों तक नहीं देखा
Of course, exactly. But even why? Even our
hey,
Dhoni, MS Dhoni, when his daughter was born, he wasn't there in person, was he? He played the game and then went, right?
Oh, really?
yeah
There was
I-
some history that's I don't know what. Anyway, I don't know. I'm a cricket fan, like a big fan like you guys, but of course I just
I
know a
mean,
little bit of headlines.
you are a cricket fan,
But
but you
पता
don't
है-
follow like that.
Yeah.
बोलो.
but there बहुत अच्छा हुआ ये लोग नहीं थे
हाँ.
तो ये
We won,
नए
yeah.
लोगों को चांस मिला और for them it was like हमें आज पहला मौका मिला है so they are just there to die and they they won
Exactly.
so amazing
That's wonderful. You know,
Yeah.
I'm getting inspired by that team right now.
Right.
Yes, Faltoni, हम लोग वैसे करेंगे ना.
Right.
हम लोग भी
Exactly.
do or die करेंगे. Very good. Hey, Anupam, I want to thank you so much for your call and thank you for sharing that also. आज यही है बंदूलों को आज call करके बताना पड़ेगा कि where they got some wisdom somebody. कोई भी ऐसा था could be the person walking in could be a barrister when you drive through a particular place also.
Yeah.
I don't know. Or could be like how
Yeah.
Anupam talked about he drew inspiration from the team of Indian cricket who actually did an excellent job,
Correct. Correct.
That kind of stuff and how they fought back and bounced back is one about resilience. And that's what is wonderful. Thank you so much, Anupam. And you're 100%
yeah,
right about the
thank
movie.
you all to our Faltu Rani. Thank you.
And
God
thank you,
bless Bye-bye.
Anupam. And thank you, Anupam, for reading the
Thank you.
posts, reading
Yes.
my posts, and I really appreciate it. Now
And
I know.
thank you very much, Anupam, for calling and saying something
Hey,
good about
Faltu
Faltani.
Rani, one thing, are you going to talk about that on your show also?
Hopefully,
About
we did, but I think.
I think we shared about that yesterday and also day before yesterday. So we've
Okay.
yeah.
We don't have any new update on that, so hence we're not able to.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Even I checked that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for
And
calling in.
Banujan, if you're wondering what Anupam is actually referring to, is referring to the unfortunate incident happened 2 days ago, Banujan, where a 12-year-old boy in the Bay Area got dragged into the ocean. Cowell Beach. Is it
Yeah.
called Cowell Rand or Cowell Beach?
I think it's Cowell
And
Ranch
there was
Beach.
actually a very high. There was a warning about a high
High
tide.
surf advisory was there.
Yeah.
I remember when we went on Saturday, Altu Baba, we saw the high surf advisory, and then we saw the
Correct.
waves, Manjan, 15-foot waves almost.
Well, the thing is, Valdani, unfortunately, Banujan, we don't have any more information. We did try to reach out to the people to find out what's happening. Or the only thing we know is the search party. They have called in private people to come and help with the search.
Because the Coast Guard has called off the search as
Correct.
of yesterday, Banjan. So right now they're calling upon any private fishermen, private companies. They want to do a drone search. They want to.
Preferably professionals who actually, scuba divers and everything. They're actually calling for, and that's what we have gotten news as of now. So we don't want to share without any kind of proper news about that. But of course, praying for strength for the family, and I'm hoping for the best is
Right.
what I'd say. And thank you, Anupam, for bringing it up right now. This is something which happened within the community. So the kid's name I don't remember, but
No. Arunai
Arunai, yeah.
Pruthi.
Arunai.
Arunai Pruthi. And it is a really sad situation, Banjan. Unfortunately, the chances are very little that I could have survived, especially with everything that was going on, the 90 miles per hour winds and, how turbulent the ocean was. But again, how can you ask a parent to give up hope?
Yes,
yeah,
and
so
hence we actually are not pretty much not able to give you more information about that.
Yeah.
But if you want to, do let us know. We can always share that on our Media Mahima blog for sure.
Yeah.
Updates about that, do send us information on it on our Facebook page. If you want to message as well, /Radio D Hot here. This is the Pam Pam Show, Balajan. Of course, it's a presentation of Media Mahima for the Radio D Hotties network, airing live and local on Radio Mirchi 1310 AM and also 92.9 FM, Balajan. Yeah, we have an app which is available for download on Android and also on iOS. iOS. We just got a feedback from one of our bandhus saying that the app they had to, when they uploaded the new OS, we request us to see if we can relaunch or download the app from your app store for it to be able to function with your new operating system on iOS. So one request we have for you guys, and thank you so much for that. And now let me tell you, Banjan, we have to go on further.
Yeah. And yes, Anupam ji, we love you too. So,
Father, there's one more dialogue I have for you, which is actually a wisdom, words of wisdom.
हाँ.
आप इसके ऊपर मल करो, मतलब you think about it and tell us which movie could be. I doubt you'll know which movie it is from.
हाँ.
लाइफ में सबसे बड़ा रिस्क होता है कभी कोई रिस्क ना लेना.
लाइफ में सबसे बड़ा रिस्क होता है कभी कोई रिस्क ना लेना.
Can you imagine, Father? It's such an interesting thing, right? That's so true also, by the way.
लाइफ ही रिस्क है यार.
To be safe. लाइफ में सबसे बड़ा रिस्क होता है कि लाइफ में कभी रिस्क ना लेना.
अच्छा, ये कौन सी मूवी का है आपको बताना है. बदुजान 4012479. You're listening to Words of Wisdom Wednesday right here on the Pam Pam Show. Today we're doing Wisdom Wednesday with a difference.
Yeah.
हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ हटके करते हैं. तो आज हमने सोचा the most important that we think is that when we take life lessons from not just ourselves but also everybody around us, you know, the people that come into our life, even sometimes you could lesson from somebody you don't really appreciate.
Yeah.
Or you don't think that person is so great, but there will be something that you can pick up from that particular person
Yeah,
as well.
yeah. And I
उनकी
was-
जिंदगी में से एक thread भी ले सकते हो. In fact, you can take a lesson from Donald J. Trump
I
himself.
was just going to say, Father, I took a lesson from the guy also, by the way.
What was the lesson you took,
The
man?
lesson I took is, have a thick skin.
What?
भले सारे दुनिया आपको कुछ बोले.
हाँ.
Do what you're doing sincere.
क्या?
There's a lot of wisdom in the Falsari.
हाँ.
In fact, मैं नहीं बोलता, ये गीता बोलती है.
अच्छा.
Even if you're on the wrong track,
हाँ.
they say do it sincerely.
Yeah.
Be a wrong person sincerely, he says.
I know.
That is why Duryodhana went to heaven is what it said in the Mahabharata.
Well,
he was
here,
sincere about being bad.
one thing that you can take away as a lesson from him, Badhujan,
Yeah.
is that if you actually think about it, वो अगर दुश्मन भी उसके काम आएगा, उस बना लेगा वो.
Oh my God, is that a lesson, Fatwani?
It is a lesson. If
Okay.
it's of but unfortunately there is other aspects of his personality which are obnoxious, which obviously that ego, the big ego that rides him, is what's him from acknowledging it. But apparently Donald Trump, when he was a businessman, that's what he would do.
Wonderful.
He would like anybody who is beneficial to him, even if he doesn't like that person. Like, look at Steve Bannon. Why did he pardon him right now? Because he has to protect his self-interest.
So sweet.
Yeah.
So sweet.
That
Wow,
so
क्या सीख है Faltwani?
that
Literally, I
is-
want to put it onto a stick and put it on a roster right now. इन्हें बजान ये जो है art of war, art of business, whatever is that बजाओ चलेगा. लेकिन I have a song for you from the movie War, Bandajan, which talks about actually coming together. That's what we got to do as a nation today. We got to heal. We're coming together, sharing love, Bandajan. बाकी सब छोड़ जाओ. Don't worry about all those things. Just worry about focusing on us living happily, Bandajan.
thank God he played this and not the other one.
Which one?
The one which talks about living
no,
in the
no,
moment.
no, I'm not going to play songs which you like. Sorry.
That's
यार घर पे ये बोल दो आए दे फिक्रे सब छोड़ दो आज हक से अपने हिसाब में हम जो करने चले गलती वो जोड़ लो तो आज यार कुछ लम्हों के लिए बिगड़ी राहों पे तुम पैरों को मोड़ दो आज हक से दुनिया को भूल के जितने हैं कायदे वो सारे तो हो खुले ग्राउंड में आके ऊंचा साउंड बजा के रेड वाला कलर लगा के नाचेंगे हीरो बनकर ओ जय जय शिव शंकर
From the movie War, Bandajan, music by Vishal and Shekhar, sung by Vishal Dadlani, and of course, other voice, Bandajan, the funky voice of the funk master, Benny Dayal. Lyrics के बारे में सोच रहा था, Faltani, you know who the lyrics is?
Kumar.
Yes. And अगर आप सोच रहे क्या हो रहा है यार, oh my god, wonderful show and all, it is called the Pam Pam Show, Bandajan. Monday to Friday, 5 से लेकर 7 बजे right here on your Radio D Hotties Network, Bandajan, airing live and local on Radio Mirchi 1310 AM and also 92.9 FM.
पर जम के आजा देसी कमर पे ठुमके उछाल दे नाचेंगे हीरो बनकर.
Yeah, Bandhuja, Democrats hero बनकर नाचने वाले आजकल. Let me tell you one thing. Yesterday, one of our bandhus called up Prakash ji.
Democrats क्यों Americans?
अरे सही है फाल्तुड़ी. हमारे जो प्रकाश जी है ना, जो कॉल किए थे कल, याद है?
हाँ.
He gave wonderful wisdom for everybody. पहला इंसान बनो, बाकी सब छोड़ दो, right?
Exactly.
Yes, पर इंसान बन के नाचिएगा. And think about the fact that काली चरण का बज गया डोल. I got your message, प्रणव जी. सुनते रहिएगा.
मैं हूँ गुमसुम तू भी खामोश है, सच है समय का ही सब दोष है, धड़कन धड़कन रहता है वो.
Bandhujan, this is your darling.
मैं हूँ गुमसुम जी ले जरा, कहता है दिल जी ले जरा. हम सफर है हम नवा पास जिले जरा. Hi, this is Vishal. You're listening to me on Radio The Hotties, where entertainment just got hotter.
Bandhujan, this is your darling pyari Mahima Rani. I hope you're enjoying every one of these songs that we have lined up for you, Bandhujani. This is Radio The Hotties, where entertainment, engagement, excitement, everything keeps getting hotter.
Hi, this is Johnny Liver, and you are listening me on Radio The Hottie. Everything keeps getting hotter.
देखा हजारों दफा आपको, फिर बेकरारी कैसी है, संभाले संभल. क्या बोलती तू?
क्या मैं बोलूं? सुना
आती क्या जीजीसी में?
क्या तू आके में जीजीसी में?
अरे नाचेंगे गाएंगे बंदूकों में ऐश करेंगे. क्या बोलती?
क्या मैं बोलूं? सुना
आती क्या जीजीसी में?
क्या करूं में जीजीसी में?
अरे नाचेंगे गाएंगे बंदूकों मिलेंगे ऐश करेंगे और क्या. क्या बोलती तू?
क्या मैं बोलूं? लॉकडाउन की सीजन में जीजी साके क्या करना?
लॉकडाउन की सीजन में ही तो मजा है मेरी मैना.
डरती हूँ खौरों से कहीं लग ना जाए मुझको.
मास्क पहनेंगे निकलेंगे पागल क्या समझी मुझको.
क्या गाऊं समझ में आए ना? क्या पहनूं देखो ये जानो ना?
चलिंग करते हैं मैं आगे तू पीछे बस अब निकलते हैं और क्या. क्या बोलती तू?
अरे क्या मैं बोलूं?
फालतू बाबा से मिलेंगे टोमेटो राइस खाएंगे. फालतू रानी से बात करके रिफ्रेशमेंट हो जाएंगे.
मैं तो कब से तरस रही दुनिया में जाने को. पम पम करके निकल पड़ते हैं फिर
घुमा रेडियो डिहाटी को जरा, बोल बाबू मोशाय आप भी आओ वहाँ।
गाना भी तैयार है, खाना भी तैयार है, सोशल डिस्टेंस भी है क्या?
ए, क्या बोलती तू?
ए, क्या मैं बोलूं?
सुन
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations. The views and opinions expressed by the hosts, guests, or callers of this show do not necessarily reflect those of the staff or management of Radio D Hotties. The content broadcast on this show is meant for informational and entertainment purposes only.
Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations.
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show.
Yes, you heard it right.
Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic. Bye-bye. नमस्कार.
Namaste.
नमस्कार.
Vanakkam.
खुशामदीद.
Assalamu alaikum.
सत श्री अकाल.
Megandari vandanam.
जय स्वामी नारायण.
जय श्री कृष्ण.
जय जिनेंद्र.
मैं इस्माइल भाई बंधुओं को बोलते याली मदद.
मौलानी मदद बोलते सारे फीजी मतलब बोलेगा नहीं सम बोला बरजन.
हम आ गए बंधुजान आप प्यारे.
महिमा के दुलारे. Myself Alto Baba.
And of course myself Alto Rani लेकर आपके लिए एक और drive time show that's gonna make it totally exciting and totally मस्तानी बंधुजाने.
Yes, बंधुजान, of course आज हम लोग आपके साथ words of wisdom वैसे कर रहे हैं बंधुजान, जहाँ पे actually you actually have words of wisdom, not only from books or wise people, you also have it is what I'm trying to say.
Huh?
Yes. We serve words of wisdom. And that's what I'm going to share, Bhajan. And we are asking you, how do you get wisdom?
हाँ.
Are there anybody you actually got wisdom from? As in, किसी का life story देख, किसी ने आपको राग दिया होगा, आपने सुना होगा, all those things.
Right.
So call करना 408-912-2479 408-912-279. More Lalian Saab, welcome. Bula to you too, and he's saying that welcome.
What man?
Oh, somebody said something about tomato rice. What tomato is talking?
गाने में हमारे दीपक जी और फाल्गुनी जी ने गाया है, right?
वाह, मीनाक्षी जी आपने कभी टेस्ट नहीं किया लेकिन वहीं से बोल रहे कि वेरी नाइस स्पेशलिटी है. How do you know it is nice if you not tasted? मीनाक्षी जी आपको यहाँ पे आना पड़ेगा हॉलिडे करके. Of course, please come along. Make sure you're safe and everything when you come here. Physical distancing is very important. 6 feet का distance चाहिए.
Right.
And all those things you got to maintain for sure. Okay. Now coming to the point of dialogues, right?
हाँ.
I'm going to start her to call us Bhajan.
हाँ.
How about if I give you a dialogue? Now, ये dialogue जो है from a very popular movie.
हाँ.
And Faltari, there's a lot of wisdom in this, people have actually told me this.
Huh.
My mother used to tell us.
Okay.
When we had, Banujan, if you don't know about that, we actually been in radio for 12 years right now.
Right.
Seen ups and downs, seen people actually, being villains and literally ganging up against all this.
No kidding, Banujan.
All
We're
this
very
happened.
serious. We're very serious.
So then they used to say पत्थर कितने लोग पत्थर मारे, right? When he was saying all those things.
हाँ.
एक कहावत महिमा जी ने बताया था मुझे कि अगर पेड़ है,
हाँ.
पेड़ के ऊपर फल है,
हाँ.
उस फल के ऊपर जरा पत्थर पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
Because the one which is the most sweetest fruit is what's going to get a lot of stone, is what she said, right?
Correct.
ऐसा ही कुछ और है, एक डायलॉग है जो आपको बताऊंगा.
अच्छा.
ये
उस previous dialogue का आंसर आ गया तुम्हारा?
फालतू तू एक मिनट, तू कांचन लाइफ में, I know you're partying and very happy, Biden and Harris. तू कहाँ घूमी है तू? You're lost today. What happened? Everything okay?
I'm very excited, Aldo Baba. I've been having a great time.
तो एक सांस ले. एक और बात.
मैं पार्टी कर रही हूँ.
Twice. हाँ, ताकि you can be in the moment. तो already अनुपम ने कॉल करके बता दिया, right?
क्या?
आंसर बता दिया.
Where did he call and say about the risk वाला dialogue? Be quiet.
रिस्क वाला चला गया यार.
No,
ब्रेक आई, बात गई.
No, nothing. You be quiet. You forgot what you were asking.
I didn't forget what I was asking about, Tony. And people don't know which movie it is from though.
Oh my God.
So मैंने ऐसे ही छोड़ दिया उसको फालतू.
तो बंदजान आपको यहाँ पे कहा स्टूडियो का नंबर 089122479.
Because people will not know which movie it is from. Because the movie was a very nice movie. Life में सबसे बड़ा रिस्क होता है कभी कोई रिस्क ना लेना. Right?
हाँ.
But people know about this particular.
Why the movie is a flop movie?
No, flop. It's a nice movie. Very few people would have seen it. And the thing is, you know, the movie का जो भी dialogue है, I don't even know who is thinking, because movie का hero जो है definitely has not, delivered the dialogue.
Oh, then who delivers the
Because
dialogue?
the movie में the hero can't speak.
Oh, so it's in the background. People got the clue already. Which movie where the hero can't speak?
It's a sweet movie, बलिजान. Let's see if you can give us a call here. मैं एक काम करता हूँ, आपके लिए एक अच्छा गाना लगाता हूँ. अच्छा नहीं तो एक okay गाना. अमिताभ भट्टाचार्य का lyrics है, you love it. You like this song, right? With Amitabh Bhattacharya lyrics, you like, right?
Yeah.
Ajay Atul, you like?
Huh?
You like Ajay Atul?
Totally love Ajay Atul.
If it's a combination of Ajay Atul and Amitabh Bhattacharya, will the song be nice?
Oh my God, are you playing something from that? Harararara? Oh my God.
What?
This is from the movie Thugs of Hindostan.
Bokwas movie, बलिजान.
Bokwas movie means Bokwas movie. बलिजान.
Song bokwas है, लेकिन song also is celebration, बलिजान. हाँ हाँ, मंजूर है खुदा. Oh my God, saved by the phone. Hello, नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के Words of Wisdom and Devi. Who's this? Hello.
पैम पैम
पैम
Oh,
पैम.
bam bam.
कैसे है सर?
मैं बहुत बढ़िया हूँ.
हाँ.
आज के दिन तो सबको अच्छा कुछ होना चाहिए.
हाँ हाँ, आप तो बहुत खुश होंगे ना आज. हाँ? आज तो आप तो बहुत खुश होंगे.
हमें आपका मैसेज मिल गया. वो क्या काले
काली राम का काली चरण समझ रहे? काली चरण का बज गया डोल. Right?
ये आज तो बहुत ही प्रसन्नता का दिन है.
हाँ.
तो आज डेफिनेटली खुशियाँ मनाने का दिन है.
हाँ.
अच्छी अच्छी बातें करने का दिन है. अच्छे अच्छे खाने खाने का, अच्छे अच्छे सुनने का दिन है.
हाँ.
जो करना है करो, मस्ती वाला दिन है आज.
वाह, so sweet.
हाँ.
डे टू बी रिमेम्बर्ड.
Very good.
नाइस नाइस.
तो इसी बात पे आपको वर्ड में डेफिनेटली गाना बजाऊंगा, आप बात कीजिएगा.
कौन सा वाला?
इनका फेवरेट गाना है ना, काली राम का खुल गया पोल.
कौवा हंस की चाल चला लंगड़ा कर थोड़ा थोड़ा. कौवा हंस की चाल चला लंगड़ा कर थोड़ा थोड़ा. एक गधे ने कोशिश की वो भी बन जाए घोड़ा. देखो ताल न टूटे हमारी चाल न टूटे.
ठीक है.
आई नो, सीख नहीं है, सीख कबाब भी है इसमें. हाँ,
जो हुआ वो भी सत्य है.
4 साल हमने भुगते सर, 4 साल भुगते हम. एंड यस, ये फिल्म बड़ी, अगर आप माने तो ये तो बरसात की रात का फिल्म है, राइट? वी कॉल बरसात की रात, बरसात की एक रात.
नो, बरसात की एक रात.
वन नाइट ऑफ रेन. वेरी गुड.
बरसात की एक रात.
एक रात.
हाँ, कि बरसात की रात is a completely different.
Very true, very true. Rahul Dev
Yeah, I
and RDB's music है ना? RDB sang the song, is it? No, Kishore Kumar sang the song.
Yeah.
नहीं एक किशोर लिखा है. मुझे वो रीमेक ऑफ आई थिंक बांग्ला मूवी था, उसका रीमेक था.
Of course.
हाँ.
RDB मतलब.
बट आई थिंक इसमें ये गाना बहुत ही आज का ज्वलंत उदाहरण है जो लास्ट 4 साल से हुआ है.
हाँ.
और कभी कभी दुख सहना पड़ता है, अत्याचार सहना पड़ता है. बट जब बुरा वक्त टल जाता है तो जो पसंद है
हाँ.
वो आज तो जग जाहिर है. तो
Very
इसलिए
good, very good.
इसी बात पे खुशियाँ दो, ज्ञान दो जो तुम लोग दे रहे हो.
हम क्या ज्ञान दे रहे, हम तो ज्ञान रहे हैं, हम ज्ञान दे रहे हैं.
नहीं, वो हम लोग
आराम करो, स्वस्थ रहो और स्वच्छ रखो.
नहीं, ज्ञान जो बांट रहे हैं हम लोग, ये ज्ञान नहीं बांट रहे सर. हम आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि आप बांटिए, आप बताइए कि आपकी जिंदगी में से नहीं, आपका जो ज्ञान है आपने किसी और की जिंदगी में से जो ज्ञान प्राप्त किया है.
हाँ, अरे इसलिए तो फोन करना तुम लोग.
हाँ.
अरे देखो, जिसके घर में खुद एक लाइफ कोच हो और कहीं बाहर जाने सकता नहीं है.
वेरी गुड, वेरी
हाँ,
गुड.
हाँ.
तो बोल रहे कि सभी लोग अपने अपने लाइफ में शादी कर ले.
हाँ, जैसे मैं पैदा हुआ था, मेरे जो करते थे ऑफकोर्स उसमें तो खामियां होंगी, जैसे बहुत लोग की होती है.
हाँ.
तो या ऑफकोर्स खड़ूस बहुत गुण थे मुझ में. धीरे धीरे मैं जैसे चीजें को जैसे तराश के फिर मैं से निखर रहा हूँ.
हाँ, नहीं थे कि निखर.
हाँ.
अच्छा, निखर रहे हैं.
हाँ, मैं धीरे धीरे मेरे लाइफ कोच ने मुझे ऐसा सुधार दिया है कि बहुत ही अच्छा हो गया.
हाँ, वो आपको नहीं पता, सही हमको बोला पड़ेगा.
सुधार में तो देखो बहुत कुछ सीखना मिला कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बीइंग अनसेल्फिश, एम्पैथी फॉर अदर्स, इवन फॉर स्ट्रेंजर्स. राहत मिलती कभी अगर कुछ दुख होगा तो उनको दर्द होता है. हाँ. एंड सबसे बड़ी बात जो सीखी है कि रॉक, जब तुम लगे कि यू ऑलवेज थिंक फ्रॉम, ऐसा बोलोगे दूसरे का अगर कुछ उसकी भावनाओं को कुछ भावना को तुम आहत कर सकते हो, सो थिंक फ्रॉम अदर्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. और इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ फैमिली. फैमिली मेंबर से अच्छे रिलेशन रखना वो कितना महत्वपूर्ण है, ये सीखा है उसने। तो ऐसे कई सारे ज्ञान की बातें जो एवरीडे मुझे कोचिंग मिलती है, मैं ऐसे रोज निखर के एकदम, मैं क्या बोलूँगा, मैं अपने मुंह से क्या अपनी प्रशंसा करूँ।
नहीं, आप अपनी प्रशंसा मत कीजिएगा, नहीं आप अपनी मुंह में मुट्ठी मत कीजिएगा, लेकिन आप उनके बारे में बताएं जहाँ से आप सीखा ना उनको।
उसको छोड़ दो, उस बात को नजरअंदाज करो जो मैंने कहा अपने बारे में, बट यार जो तुमको याद रखना वो ये कि मैंने क्या क्या सीखा, कहाँ से सीखा।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड,
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस।
आप अपने लाइफ कोच को आई लव यू बोलने वाले हो कि नहीं?
तो हर समय बोलते रहता हूँ मैं।
हर समय की बात नहीं, अभी समय है बोलने का, अभी समय।
ये मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है कि कैसे बोलते हैं। मैं हर समय बोलता हूँ या उसको मालूम है,
लेकिन ये हर समय नहीं है ना।
नहीं, मैं ऐसा कभी नहीं बोला, उसको मालूम है। मतलब मैं, तुम जब बोलते हो मैं बोल देता हूँ।
हाँ तो बोल दो।
आज ऑन एयर बोल सकता हूँ,
बोलो,
बोल सकता हूँ।
बोलो। और
मैंने तो कविताएं भी लिख दी है, कविताएं वो।
अभी बात से भटको मत, विषय से भटको मत, अभी बोलो।
हाँ।
बोल सकते, अरे क्या इसमें बोलने में क्या, 3-4 शब्दों में आई लव यू।
क्या हेलो, क्या जल्दबाजी,
क्या हो
अच्छा
गया?
नहीं, यहाँ पे तो नहीं, शुद्ध हिंदी में बात करते हैं यहाँ पे, लेकिन आई लव यू मतलब प्यार, जो दिल की बात जो इंग्लिश में बोलते आई लव यू। वाह, ये क्या वही प्लेन सही ढंग से बोलो सर, क्या आप भी ना
मैं हृदय की गहराइयों से प्रेम करता हूँ।
हमें नहीं, उनको ना। हम भी आपको हृदय की गहराई से, हम भी आपको गहराइयों से प्रेम करते हैं, आपको अलग बात है। लेकिन सही, हाँ,
मैं तुम्हें अंतरात्मा से, हृदय की गहराइयों से प्रेम करता हूँ।
उनको सुनाई नहीं दिया।
नो, वो बोल रही है, तुम रेडियो पे बोल रहे हो, ऐसे बोल रही है।
अच्छा नहीं, हमको सुनाई नहीं दिया, जोर से बोलो।
हो गया,
क्या हो गया? वाह हो गया, वाह,
हिसाब रखते हो
ना।
अच्छा,
लोग कॉल करने,
अरे चलेगा, वो लोग वेट करेंगे, लेकिन हमें मजा आ रहा है। क्या अभी बट एनीवे, थैंक यू सो मच। हाँ बोलो।
नहीं, तुम्हारे लिए भी तुम्हारी सीख है।
हाँ,
वो ये कि इसका ध्यान रहे कि जो शो है वो स्वच्छ रहे, और मुझे फोन करने की आवश्यकता ना पड़े। तो ऐसे विषय करो अपने
सर, मतलब ये मतलब है, अगर आपके
कभी भटकते हो,
आपका
अगर थोड़ी थोड़ी बातें जो
सर, हमारा अगर शो, अगर हमारा शो साफ सुथरा हो गया ना, तो आप थोड़े ही कॉल करेंगे।
सर, नहीं, देखिए, जैसा भी हमारा शो हो, हम लोग वो क्या पूरा क्लेंजिंग करते हैं। हम लोग, आलतू बाबा हमेशा बोलता है, बेरिया के सबसे झकास शो पैम पैम में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है।
एग्जैक्टली,
तो क्लीन हो जाता है, डोंट वरी।
सो टोटल 99% एफिशिएंसी सर, 99.9% एफिशिएंसी इन ऑल जर्म्स।
या दैट इज हार्दिक ना।
जर्म क्लीनर, एग्जैक्टली, 99%. Better than any kind of hand sanitizer also, better.
Yeah, exactly. You can't put it on your hands.
What you can't put on your hands?
पागल हो गया? That's
Of
a
course you
toilet
can-
cleaner.
Hello?
Waste fellow.
I said we are more clear than that also, I said.
That okay.
क्या सोचते हैं फादर, जो दिमाग कहाँ पे? You are lost, father, today. I don't know. I gotta dig deeper and find out.
I'm not lost. You're like you're like trying to connect something else, a toilet cleaner to hand sanitizer.
No, I'm connecting sanitization, Father. Whether it is the ceramic or the hand doesn't matter, right? हाँ, बोलो सर, बोलो।
आज और भी और एक ऐतिहासिक घटना हुई है,
हाँ,
जो कम होती है, राइट?
हाँ,
वैसे मैंने बहुत बार बोला है, बट आज एक श्रोता ने, बंधु ने फोन करके कहा ना कि फाल्गुनी ने जो भी लिखती है वो लिखती है, मतलब कितनी भाषा शब्दों का प्रयोग करती है, और जो उनका जो संदेश है वो लोगों तक पहुंचता है। तो
ये मानता हूँ,
हिस्टोरिक,
ये ना, ये मानता हूँ, हिस्टोरिक मतलब कोई कम, बहुत कम ही बोलते लोग।
हिस्टोरिक का मतलब क्या है? कोई कम
मतलब,
और तो लोग ऐसे नहीं बोलते हैं, प्रणब जी।
ऐसे नहीं यार, अरे क्या हुआ फालतू? पीठ पीछे
से छुरी निकाल रही हूँ मैं।
हाँ, निकाली? नहीं निकाली? एनीवेज, बट आई एग्री विद यू सर, बोथ वेरी रेयरली हैपेंस। आप भी कॉल नहीं करते, आप भी कुछ बोलते नहीं उसके बारे में, तो बुरा मान जाती है ऑलवेज।
नहीं, देखो, जब प्रशंसा लायक कोई बात होती है, मैं उसको
आप ऐसे मत बोलो, ऐसे बोलो। आप तो रोज मेरी प्रशंसा करते हो, तो बुरा मान से यार, ऑडियंस यार, डोंट डू दैट यार। प्रणब जी देखो, हम आपसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं, फालतू नहीं, डोंट वरी, तेरा मैं प्रशंसा करूँ तेरे को ना, वेरी गुड फालतू।
देखो क्या होता है, उसको बोलने का अवसर ही कम मिलता है बेचारी को। तो ज्यादा उसको 100% में से तुम शायद 1% 90% तुम ही बात करते हो,
हाँ, हाँ, of
और वो कुछ बोलती तुम उसकी बात काट देते हो, तो वो क्या करेगी?
क्या करेगी, ऑफ कोर्स।
Right? इसलिए
हाँ,
तुमको
थोड़ा
सुधारना है,
बहुत तो
तुमको ये
उसको
ज्ञान देना है।
हाँ हाँ, नहीं सर, मैं तो मानता हूँ आपका, मैं मानता हूँ यहाँ पे तो सब काम तो मैं ही करता हूँ, तो क्या करें नहीं प्रणब जी, मैं ये ऐसे नहीं कि काम नहीं करती, काम
अच्छा,
बहुत
तो
करती
अपने
हूँ।
आप को बड़े जय समझ लेगा क्या?
अरे,
प्रणब जी, क्या
फालतू जी।
तो आपको मौसी बना दिया, देखो।
आदत से मजबूर हूँ, आदत से मजबूर हूँ, वो मेरी परवरिश की बात है, क्या करूँ प्रणब जी।
फिर भटक रहे हो, भटक।
नहीं,
अरे
नहीं,
देखो,
हाल तो ये भूलो मत,
लोग-
एंड में जय मर जाता है।
ऑफ कोर्स यस,
हाँ।
ये मजा है ना,
हाँ।
ताजा फालतू ताकि फिर से पैदा हो।
हाँ हाँ,
एग्जैक्टली
हाँ, हाँ,
फालतू
कुछ भी।
वही तो है फालतू, नेवर एंडिंग।
फाइनली वीरू को बसंती मिलती है कि नहीं? मिलती है, राइट?
क्या?
तो उसका मकसद पूरा होता है, राइट? हाँ
मसती मिलती है कि दोनों मिलती है?
अरे बुद्धि को मारो गोली।
हाँ।
क्यों?
ये जो शो की बात है,
हाँ।
उसमें शो में क्या है?
हाँ,
शो में क्या है? शो में संतुलन होना चाहिए।
वाह,
हाँ
तो शो में संतुलन के लिए हम दो आवश्यक है,
हाँ।
दो महानुभावों की आवश्यकता है, जो एक है आलतू,
वाह,
एक है फालतू।
वेरी
तो बिना आलतू के फालतू नहीं है, और बिना फालतू के आलतू नहीं है।
वाह।
इसलिए शो में जो संतुलन है बहुत अच्छा है।
हाँ
तुम दोनों अच्छा काम कर रहे हो,
हाँ,
और
थैंक यू, थैंक
स्वच्छ
यू।
रहो,
हाँ
स्वस्थ रहो, लोगों का मनोरंजन करते रहो।
अरे
हाँ,
आप
आपसे-
हुकुम सलाम को पर
आपसे बहुत लोग सहमत है, फेसबुक पे भी लिख रहे हैं,
क्या लिख
अनुपम
रहे हैं?
जी भी, अनुपम जाम जी भी बोल रहे हैं कि
हाँ।
संतुलन।
हाँ।
नमस्ते एंड अनुपम, थैंक यू वेरी मच। बोल रहे हैं कि फालतू रानी के बारे में कुछ मत बोलो।
कौन बोला? अनुपम ने बोला?
हाँ
अनुपम क्या बोलूं मैं उसके बारे में?
हाँ, उसने बोला
मैं क्या बोलूं?
फालतू रानी को कुछ मत बोलो ऐसे, प्लीज।
फालतू को कुछ मत बोलूं,
हाँ
कुछ मत।
वो वही तो कर रहे हैं, तो कुछ बोलने नहीं दे रहा है।
नहीं, हेलो, मैं तो वही कर रहा हूँ जो अनुपम ने बोला। अनुपम ने बोला कि मैं आपको कुछ मत बोलूं, हाँ कुछ मत,
क्या रैंडम यार, आलतू इज सो वेस्ट।
कुछ मत बोलो बोला उसने यार।
हाँ,
अगर
ठीक
उसने
है।
बोला तो फालतू को अच्छा बोलो, अच्छा बोलूंगा मैं।
ओ, बात में एक बात तो बोलना भूल गए तुम लोगों से।
हाँ हाँ,
हाँ,
बोलो।
पान पराग सबको नहीं मिलेगा, डोंट वरी।
नहीं, पान पराग नहीं, ये
हम
बहुत ही
भारतीयों का स्वागत
अत्यधिक
पान पराग से करते हैं।
आवश्यक और महत्वपूर्ण बात है,
हाँ
हाँ
बताओ।
जी,
जो
हाँ
सब श्रोताओं को भी उसका ज्ञान होना चाहिए।
हाँ
हाँ
वो जो मैंने एक और जगह से यहाँ मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है।
हाँ
हाँ
वो एक संस्था
हाँ।
है, लाभ रहित संस्था, उसका नाम है, और लाभ रहित मीन्स नॉन प्रॉफिट। वो संस्था है प्रज्ञा,
हाँ, ओके,
राइट?
हाँ
तो वहाँ मैंने सीखा कि बड़े होते हमको लगता है कई सारे टर्म यूज करते हैं, मेंटली रिटार्डेड और ये दुनिया डिसेबल्ड, बहुत सारे टर्म यूज करते हैं। हमको इसका ज्ञान नहीं होता कि वी शुड नॉट बी सेइंग सम टर्म, और स्पेशली एबल्ड है उनसे कैसे बात करना, और व्हेन दे आर डूइंग समथिंग वो टू नॉट लाफ एट देम और नॉट टू जज देम। तो बहुत कुछ मैंने वहाँ से ज्ञान प्राप्त किया है,
वंडरफुल।
जो सोसाइटी के सब लोगों को, जो भी हैं जिनको ये इसका ज्ञान नहीं है,
हाँ
there are a lot of unprivileged, challenged and at-risk person who are also our neighbors and friends.
राइट।
तो उनके साथ एम्पैथी है, अपना थोड़ा सा समय दीजिए और योगदान दीजिए। इट्स लाइक पार्ट ऑफ गिविंग बैक टू द कम्युनिटी। तो वो मैंने वहाँ से सीखा।
वंडरफुल।
लाइफ से तो मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है,
हाँ,
बट ये भी मैंने वहाँ से, तो आई थिंक दैट इज वर्थ मेंशनिंग कि इट डजंट टेक a lot of things to find knowledge. Look just around you and you will definitely get enlightened.
वंडरफुल वंडरफुल। एंड
Absolutely.
सब लोग संतुलन के बारे में बहुत बातें हो रही है,
Thank-
एंड सावधानी ही बचाव है, मतलब क्या है?
देखो, वो एक एड आता था,
हाँ।
अगर जिसने भी लिखा है, आई थिंक दैट इज फन इंटेंडेड, बिकॉज वो एक टैटू का,
हाँ हाँ, मुझे मालूम, मुझे में वही ना, वो वस्तु,
विज्ञापन था।
हाँ वो
जो
वस्तु
मैं
का,
बोल नहीं सकता।
हाँ हेलमेट लगा के चलने का ना, वही ना।
हे भगवान,
नो कमेंट।
ऑफ कोर्स ड्राइविंग के टाइम पे,
देखो,
टू व्हीलर पे
स्वस्थ
चलने के टाइम पे
रहो,
हेलमेट पहनना चाहिए, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
रखो।
अरे देखा, मैंने नहीं बताया, संतुलन वो बिगाड़ दिया वहाँ पे।
हाँ।
आपने बिगाड़ा, मैंने हेलमेट की बात की, आपने क्या बात सोचा? My
मैं
God.
कुछ नहीं बोला, मैंने बोला स्वच्छ रहो और स्वच्छ रखो और स्वस्थ रहो।
हाँ, हाइजीन की बात है सर, वो क्या करे। हाँ
लेकिन आलतू
भी hygiene
बाबा,
की बात है, हाँ।
प्रणब जी ने तू कितना डिस्ट्रैक्टेड रहता है, कितनी अच्छी बात कही। सॉरी प्रणब जी, मैं ये डेफिनेटली प्लग करना चाहती हूँ कि हाँ बिल्कुल आपने सही कहा विद रिगार्ड टू प्रज्ञा। ये आलतू ने पूरा कहीं और लेके चला
मैंने लेके
conversation।
जाया, वो
हाँ, thank you
पोस्ट
so
आया
much
मुझे,
for
फेसबुक पे मैसेज आया।
हाँ, फेसबुक पे मैसेज है, वो बाद में पढ़ सकते।
तो प्रणब जी है तो टाइम मौका है ना, प्रणब जी के सामने बोलना बहुत
आज
important
words of wisdom है.
तो वो भी तो wisdom है ना?
God.
Yeah, सावधानी important.
Well, Baljan,
But that is a topic for another day, okay?
Of course. I agree with you, sir. I totally agree with you. Sir, but thank you so much for the wonderful words of wisdom you shared with us. And I say, but आप भी call कर सकते हैं and you can always talk. And today I think, you know, because everybody is rejoicing, दीपा का phone नहीं आएगा मेरे ख्याल से आज. क्यों हंस रही है तू?
Deepa, it's okay, yeah. You got to celebrate with us. It doesn't matter. It's all for all of America. So, but anyway, Pranabji, thank you so much for sharing with us. And truly, we are also very happy that there is a life coach in your life. And in fact, some people are saying Vishal Arora ji actually said you've become less khadoos now.
Very good.
Oh, okay.
Endorsement आ गया
Thank you.
Ha.
Thank you for that
Endorsement.
appreciation.
And also yes, you're absolutely right. Unconditional acceptance. And एक चीज आपने कही जो हमारे जो President Joe Biden ने आज कहा, which is absolutely true. आपने एक बात कही कि humility के बारे में बात किया और फिर acceptance के बारे में बात किया, diversity के बारे में बात किया. And he did say everybody deserves a life of dignity and everybody deserves to be treated with respect and dignity regardless of what their background is. So I think it completely is in with what thankfully we have compassionate leadership right now in the country, and you know, it is a time of healing for this country because we've been brutalized by enough division and hatred. So absolutely. So thank you so much for sharing that message and those words of. And आपके लिए आलतू बाबा ने एक स्पेशल गाना लाइनअप किया है.
सब मंजर खुदा है सर.
हाँ आपके लिए स्पेसिफिकली, तो वो गाना डेडिकेट करने वाला है आपको.
Yes sir, आपके लिए dedication.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Bye.
And of course बच्चन, ये गाना है dedicated for प्रणब जी. And of course फाल्तू ने कुछ बोलना चाहती तू?
तूने कोई सवाल पूछा था, उसका आंसर आया?
हाँ आया ना.
अच्छा.
नहीं आया. प्रणब जी का बात नहीं था. वो डायलॉग के बारे में. वो छोड़ दो डायलॉग. आगे बोलते डायलॉग्स.
आज अपने तमाशे पे महफिल को करके रहेंगे फिदा, जब तलक ना करे जिस्म से जान होगी नहीं ये जुदा, मंजूर है खुदा.
And of course, Bachchan, I already told you, ये music by Ajay Atul and lyrics by Amitabh Bhattacharya.
होगा हमारा जो है मंजूर है खुदा, मंजूर है खुदा.
And voice तो मिस कर लिया होगा, male voice जो actually सुखविंदर भाजी, right? And और है बलजन, come back to the female voice. आप guess करो, थोड़ी देर के बाद बताऊंगा कि कौन कौन इस गाने को गाए हैं बलजन. एक नहीं, दो नहीं, तीन लोग हैं. From the movie, which is actually a total bundle movie, Bhajan, Thugs of Hindustan से गाना Bhajan, which actually had two female voices, if you didn't recognize that, Shreya Ghoshal and Srinidhi, Sunidhi Chauhan, sorry, Srinidhi nahi, Sunidhi Chauhan. But let me tell you a dialogue जो बताया था मैंने, which is words of wisdom, which is right about fact. अगर आपने रिस्क ले लिया तो सबसे बड़ा रिस्क लाइफ में वो रिस्क है जो आप कभी लिए नहीं. Good one, right?
कौन सी मूवी का है वो डायलॉग?
It is for a movie called Barfi.
बार्फी.
बार्फी बर्जन, बार्फी फिल्म का गाना है। लाइफ में बड़ा रिस्क होता है, कभी कोई रिस्क ना लेना, तो ले लो रिस्क, ले लो आलू बटाटा, ले लो रिस्क, ले लो बर्जन। That's what I tell you guys. And आगे बढ़ते फर्दर, I have one more dialogue actually tell you.
हाँ.
You know the wisdom which Mahima ji told us once about the fact that जिस पेड़ पे फल रहता है उसी के ऊपर ज्यादा पत्थर चलता है।
हाँ.
उसी लाइन में एक विजडम है एक पर्टिकुलर फिल्म में।
हाँ.
फिल्म इज वेरी इंस्पिरेशनल।
हाँ.
एंड इंस्पिरेशनल क्यों बोलता हूँ कि not because the actor but the movie is very inspirational. The person actually has totally changed the economic standing of India, I should say, right?
हाँ.
Film is about him. It's a biopic. बोल दिया मैंने, ठीक है?
हाँ.
वो डायलॉग है, जब लोग तुम्हारे खिलाफ बोलने लगे,
हाँ.
समझ लो तरक्की कर रहे हो।
ओ वाओ. जब लोग
तुम्हारे खिलाफ बोल रहे हैं,
हाँ.
समझ लो तरक्की हो।
आ,
बोलने लगे, जब तुम्हारे लोग बोलने लगे, समझ लो तरक्की कर रहे हो।
ये किसी ने मुझे बताया था।
हाँ, ये एक्चुअली
जैसे the moment you start to get haters, right?
Uh-huh.
That's when you know that you are worth talking about.
Was that me?
Yeah, it was
Told
you.
you?
You rascal. You
Probably I
told
might
me.
have told you that, yes. I might have told you. कभी-कभार I'm also very white.
Yeah.
कभी घमंड नहीं, क्या फालतू नहीं, but this is so nice, right? So right? लो जब लोग तुम्हारे खिलाफ बोलने लगे, समझ लो तरक्की कर रहे हो। कौन से फिल्म का वर्जन बताइएगा, कॉल कीजिएगा 408-912-2479 408 912
408-912-2479. आज है Banujan Words of Wisdom Wednesday, and especially when we are embarking on another chapter in American history, Banujan. We've turned on a really dark, dark 4 years. We are turning the page, and I don't know if you noticed, the sun was shining a little brighter today.
Yeah.
But it wasn't like the kind that burns your skin. It was just that tender, loving warmth.
Wow.
No, I'm serious. I'm not kidding.
How much impact mind over matters, Banujan?
Huh.
If your mind is clear, everything else doesn't matter.
Exactly, Banujan. So, I'm going to tell you, Banujan, that there is a lesson to be learned from every single thing.
Every single person, single thing, every single हर एक चीज पे आपको कुछ ना कुछ सीख मिलेगी।
हाँ.
यहाँ पे आपको कॉल करना पड़ेगा 408-912-2479 पे। मैंने एक डायलॉग बताया फिल्म का, आपको बोलना पड़ेगा कौन से फिल्म का डायलॉग है। वंडरफुल विजडम इस पर डायलॉग, जब लोग तुम्हारे खिलाफ बोलने लगे, समझ लो तरक्की कर रहे हो। 408-912-2479। नमस्कार, आपका हर स्वागत है पैम के वर्ड्स ऑफ विजडम वेडनेसडे में। Who's this? Hello.
Ram, Pam, this is Satish here,
Oh
580.
my God, Satish from 580. Are you back on the road?
I am on the road,
Very good.
but now I am on I-5, not on 580.
Oh, I-5. Okay, are you coming back to the Bay Area, going someplace?
No, I am going to Sacramento.
Wonderful. Drive safe. Thank you so much. Who's in the car? Pam, who's in the car?
Who's in the car? My wife, my son. Vikram, say Pam.
Pam.
Say Pam.
Pam, Vikram. God bless you. Is that Mrs. Satish there who said Pam?
Yeah, you can call me Mr. Kavita. She's Kavita.
Oh wow, Kavita, nice to meet. Oh my God, Kavita. I'll tell you what. What she said, I love you. What did she say?
Did you say I love you?
I don't know. What did she say? She told you I love you.
Meet you.
Huh? Nice to meet you. Oh, I thought.
Nice to meet you. We thought you said, oh, it's okay, same as I love you. Same.
Hey, for us, nice to meet you is almost like equal to I love you.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
She's first time coming on to the show.
I know. So Satish, let us talk to her now. Kavita, how are you doing?
Good, and great.
Good.
Doing good. I'm actually now in the car.
Oh, so sweet. Pam to you. Vikram, thank you so much, sweetie. So, how old is Vikram, by the way, Kavita?
Vikram, how old are you? I'm 7 years old, very big,
Oh my God, you're 7 years old.
He's 7 years old.
That's wonderful. At your age, I used to play marbles. I never called radio station at that time. Yeah, I never, at that age, I never called her.
He had lost his marbles.
He doesn't have marbles, he says, but he still loves it.
Aww.
I love it. I didn't like them, but he loves them.
That's wonderful. Wonderful. Thank you so much, and thank you for actually showing wonderful parenting right there. Introducing your child to wonderful radio programs is wonderful.
Exactly. You're such
Hats off,
parents,
Satish.
yeah.
Hats off, Kavita.
Seriously.
You guys seriously are. I learned from you guys. So, Kavita, let me ask you a question. Now, we're talking about wisdom. Can you share with us any wisdom you took from somebody? Somebody like a person which you met long time ago. Could be anything for the matter. Can you share something with us today?
What do I take?
Some wisdom. Yeah, something. Huh.
No, like, what we're talking about is a lot of times in life
I actually had a lot of wisdom, but I took 2 out of it.
Okay.
2 out of the 4 away.
Okay. What was the wisdom?
Wisdom that somebody shared it with me, or I shared my wisdom to others.
No, not your wisdom. Something you learned from somebody.
Kavita. What I learned from somebody?
Yeah.
कभी झूठ मत बोलना.
अरे वाह. Okay. Oh. Was that a?
बहुत साल सीखा था बच्चन में बहुत सीखा.
So Satish, you know what's happening there, right? She's sending a message.
Yeah. Loud and clear. झूठ बोलना मना है.
I know, Satish. Oh my God, Kavita is very wise that way.
Yeah, bro.
Very good.
That's why I'm in the driver's seat and she's, in the passenger seat resting behind.
Hey, you should say, I'm in the driver's seat and she is driving, you must say.
Yeah, absolutely.
Hey, but Satish, you tell me, what is the thing, from somebody you learned some wisdom? Is there something, I don't know, from Kavita itself or somebody else? Something which you gained?
बीवी का बात सुनो तबीयत ठीक रहेगा.
वाह, that's very nice.
अच्छा, किससे सीखा? कौन से फ्रेंड से सीखा आपने?
नहीं, ये सीख जैसे बोलता है ना, वो आ जाता है.
नहीं, ये किसी और की एक्सपीरियंस से सीखा होगा.
You shock it from the atmosphere, you see. अब नहीं सीखा तो गएगा हमसे.
Okay, fine.
हाँ, वो आप विजडम शेयर कर रहे हो कि
नहीं, एक ही कार्य
नहीं, ये विजडम शेयर नहीं किया जाता. विजडम बस
आ जाता है, like प्यार ना, आ जाता है.
कर लो या ना करो.
Yes. Yeah, वही है ना, तो that's very good. So let me tell you one thing. I want to ask you that the dialogue I gave you of a movie, right? जब लोग तुम्हारे खिलाफ बोले,
Oh, I knew the answer, but I wanted to talk to you a long time. I haven't said hello, hi to you.
Oh, yeah.
वो गुरु का डायलॉग है.
Very good.
पर मेरे को मालूम है, मैं बोला यार बहुत दिन हो गए पैम फालतू से बात करके.
I know. Hey, thank you so much for calling and thank you for introducing us to Kavita. Kavita, you call more often, okay now?
Yes, Kavita, and you can download the Radio D Hotties app wherever you go. I don't know where you're going, whether you're coming to Bay Area or you're leaving the Bay Area to go on a trip somewhere. But I-5.
They're heading towards Sacramento. He told us that.
You're heading towards Sacramento.
away.
Okay, so you can download the Radio D Hotties app and listen to Jhakkas music and Jhakkas programming.
24/7.
24/7.
All right.
And time pass.
Yeah.
Full time pass.
Oh, thank you, man.
Thank you. And sir, don't call like this once in a year, yeah.
Yeah, once
you
in a
call
while.
more. We used to call so regularly.
मैं जब रोड पर होता हूँ
तो
आप लोग मिलते हो. I come afterwards and you are not there. So whom do I call?
Hey, don't come out. Arey, wherever you are, 5 o'clock, tune in. Simple.
Yeah. Or go to Facebook and turn on.
I tune in only while driving, no?
Hey, doesn't matter, yaar. See, listen to us.
The next thing for him to do is go and sit in your station. Whether in Fremont or where are you guys?
We are everywhere.
Right?
We are everywhere.
The next thing to do is ask him to come down to Fremont and sit there.
Sit where? He does not sit anywhere. He just tune to the app, yaar, Kavita.
Hey, Kavita and Satish, let me tell you. I'll give you a great idea.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the only...
You have nothing to do.
Okay, here is the thing now. This is the whole big thing that's happening in the Bay Area and it's happened everywhere. There is you can talk to any number of bandhus, you'll listen to them on the show.
Yeah.
They'll all tell you that we are the only radio show that shows picture on the radio. So
of
basically,
course, yes.
Go to your smart TV, turn on and put on Facebook live. Our Radio D Hotties live. You'll actually get to watch our show live. People actually eat dinner, whatever. TV is gone for a 6.
Yeah.
They only watch our show till 7 p.m. and that's like a good time because you're intermittent fasting and all. You can have eating dinner, whatever.
And afterwards, husband and wife will spend some romantic time together.
Yes. And for that, we've got goodies.
Hey, I don't know, Kavita. That's what they told me, okay? देखो अच्छा हुआ ना, देखो अच्छा है, देखो hey, by the way she's telling you thank you by the way, good brownie points for you man.
Yeah.
Satish, good job man, good job, wonderful.
Yeah. So Satish, today full chiching biryani banegi.
Biryani, get it from outside and eat also if you want.
Hey, now that both of you are here,
Uh-huh.
why don't we get what is one thing you've learned from your wife, Satish?
Yeah, Satish.
Learn from her.
Yeah.
How to keep quiet.
How to
How
she
to-
always keep quiet. Oh, very good, yeah.
Wow, how to
I keep quiet, so I learn from her.
What? That how to keep quiet? And she keeps quiet a lot?
Yeah. So I keep quiet a lot.
No, I said, no.
वो नहीं
Something-
चलेगा.
You must.
Teachers never practice and preach. They only preach.
Oh,
Oh,
Oh, you have to understand.
Oh my God.
God.
Satish is
No
actually
practice.
Satish is actually on the HOV late right now, okay?
ए वहाँ पे रायता फैल जाएगा.
All the good body parts disappear. But let's ask the same question.
आपको कौन सी दिशा से डायरेक्शन से लग रहा है कि he's the one who's keeping quiet?
I know exactly.
Exactly.
Yeah. I'm totally with you on this, Kavita.
Delivery कर रहे हो आराम से.
Exactly. I totally agree what you're saying.
Yeah.
Kavita, let's ask you the question, okay? What is one thing you learned from him in a positive way?
And
Some wisdom.
Yeah, what is one thing that you?
Positive है, what I can mean?
No, no.
Cooking, yeah.
No, no, no,
Hey,
no.
no, not that way.
No,
Not that
not
way.
like that. There's-
Some quality. Some quality of his. You
I
should.
love cooking.
No, not
Cooking?
Not cooking, re
Like
Baba.
a virtue, you mean?
Virtue. Something like a virtue. Yes.
It could be a virtue. It's the way he does certain things, or the handles a situation, or
Yeah.
something. You know, like what is it that I'm pretty sure you love him. So we want to know, like, there's something you feel is something that everybody can learn from him.
Yeah. What is that?
What is that?
जनरली ज्ञान बहुत देते हैं तो ज्ञान सीखना लेना उसकी तो बहुत आदत पड़ी है मुझे.
Gyan Sikhna Lena. So he learns. He's a quick learner. You're saying.
Yeah, he's a learner, he's a preacher, he's constantly preaching knowledge.
Oh wow, preaching. Oh my God.
वही बातें रहते हैं.
Satish, what a wonderful thing she's telling about you, yaar.
Yeah, and you have to keep quiet. Huh?
Ah.
You wait, Satish. Let me meet you sometime.
Yeah, we'll meet you sometime.
Seriously.
Yeah. And Kavita, don't worry, we'll provide training for you, okay?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, how to handle Satish and all. Right,
Yeah.
Satish? Satish like, no way I bring them to you. Hey, but thank you so much, guys. Drive safe. And Vikram, nice to meet you. Have a fun Sacramento, all right?
Yes, have a fun time.
Bye.
Bye. Love
guys.
you. Take care.
Take care,
Bye-bye.
guys.
Bye.
Oh my God, it's so wonderful thing to listen to them and everything. And hey, Kavita, thank you so much. Keep calling us as often as possible. If you don't know what number to call us on, you can always hack into his phone. All wives know the phone number of the locking. What is the ID? Yeah? What is?
Yeah.
I don't know what's the point. Husbands should not have that kind of thing at all.
No.
The future can be
Some
disabled.
husbands are, you never know. Some husbands will lock their phone and keep because they do all kinds of shaitani.
Wait, that's what I think. Does a wife have all the password to the husband?
I don't know.
Exactly.
I
And of course, Bachchan, right now, one more dialogue for you guys. Let's see. This wisdom is very nice, Fatwani.
Huh?
This wisdom actually in a biopic.
Eh?
Yeah, from a biopic.
Okay.
A very person, I don't think people should look up to the person, no, but a person actually was supposedly a real life character.
Uh-huh.
Just like Guru mein, it was actually about the Ambani family, right?
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
particular dialogue, right?
Huh.
दिन और रात लोगों के होते हैं, शेरों का जमाना होता है.
हाँ, मुझे मालूम है ये डायलॉग. मुझे मालूम है. I will never forget this dialogue.
So call करो, बताओ कौन सा है वर्जन.
दिन और रात लोगों के होते हैं, शेरों का तो जमाना होता है.
That's right, that's right.
ये कौन से मूवी का डायलॉग है और कौन से मूवी का सीख है, so to speak?
Yes, call करो for the rate 91224809122479. ये जो है एक ऐसे शख्स का बायोपिक था
हाँ.
जो people should not be actually taking lessons from,
हाँ,
as in lesson of living,
हाँ,
rather the style of living. Should I say the concept of living?
right.
उन्हीं का उस फिल्म में बहुत सारे डायलॉग्स है, बताएंगे नहीं, लेकिन ये डायलॉग जो है I totally understand.
हाँ.
दिन रात तो लोगों के होते हैं, शेर जमाना होता है.
Right.
Call us 408-912-2479. उस डायलॉग के बाद फालतू नहीं,
हाँ.
ये गाना बनता है. And of course, बच्चन, ये गाना सोच रहे कौन सा है? बाजीराव मस्तानी, पेशवा. संजय लीला बंसाली का म्यूजिक प्रोडक्शन एंड लिरिक्स बाय प्रशांत इंगोले.
धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी खड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली.
You know, I think Sanjay Leela Bhansali loves Vishal Dadlani's voice.
Yes.
Anything,
Because
anything-
Vishal Dadlani's voice has that testosterone bharit raspiness.
Raspiness.
There's something voice.
Raspability.
धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली.
What lovely, what? What is that?
धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी खड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट.
This is an incomplete song, Faltani. This is incomplete song.
मतलब
What is he talking about? Dushman ki dekho, what lovely. What is it? Dot, 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 dot.
what lovely.
Hey, what lovely he's asking.
पहले, what?
पहले सुनो गाना सुनो. Number to call your brother 408912247. अभी आएगा फादर ने गौर करो. He said दुश्मन को देखो क्या what lovely, but probably talking about his whatever. Anyway, the point number to call.
Oh, yeah.
About this particular dialogue बजर दिन और रात लोगों के होते हैं, शेरों का जमाना होता है.
Call करो बंचान.
धीरे धीरे बड़ी चली जो थी चिंगारी.
And of course, the song is energetic song from the movie Bajirao Mastani. And pretty much that kind of a mood on is happening, right? Democrats camp probably will have a lot of parties.
अबे तू डेमोक्रेट लगा के रखा. मैं तेरे को बोल रही हूँ अमेरिकन बोल. This is the win of decency. Why are you saying Democrat, Republican? He is a president for all Americans. बोला है.
You think people who are supporters of Trumpsters are going to be agreeing to that?
I don't
Has
care.
even one Trumpster called today?
It's okay. We're not going to call anybody Trumpsters. That is bygone era. Error.
You think people will forget that now?
Yes.
And our country stays divided already. Oh my God. Our country is divided.
Our country is not divided. 81 million people came out and voted. And this is a legitimate election and he won and he is a president. We've got to move forward.
Let's move
together.
on forward together. Faltani, I totally
Yeah.
agree with you on this, Banjan. So give us a call. दिन और रात लोगों के होते हैं, शेरों का जमाना होता है.
तो जल्दी कॉल करें 408-22479. वेरी सिंपल पंजन. हम लोग आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि आज एक ऐसा लेसन हमारे साथ शेयर करो जो
Lesson
आप
seek, not lesson. Misunderstand that, no?
नेक्स्ट शीख कबाब बोलेगा तू.
नहीं, गार्लिक होगा.
हाँ फिर
लसन गार्लिक होता है.
ठीक है.
अच्छा, बाद में नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के व्हाट्स अप विजडम वेडनेसडे में. Who's this?
हाय पैम पैम.
Oh my God!
पापा!
डिनर हो गया?
हाँ डिनर हो गया.
आज क्या बना था डिनर
क्या
में?
बना था डिनर में?
आलू गोभी,
ओए होए.
दाल,
ओए होए.
चपाती और हरे धनिया की चटनी.
हरे धनिया की चटनी. एक मिनट, लाल धनिया भी होता क्या?
नहीं ऐसा बोलते हैं. मतलब धनिया मतलब नॉर्मल धनिया तो मिसअंडरस्टैंड ना कर लो विद कोरिएंडर सीड.
सच्ची में? how अरे कोरिएंडर सीड का भी ग्रीन होता है.
अबे
हाँ.
नहीं वो प्रॉपर
when you
ग्रीन
say धनिया, the people think it's धनिया seed, so should they say हरी?
अरे धनिया को चटनी
गलत बोल दिया.
अच्छा विषय से भटको मत डाल तू बाबा.
अरे विषय से भटको मत. मीनाक्षी जी देखो क्या बोल रही है आपके बारे में.
मैंने आपको नहीं बोला.
मीनाक्षी called her to say something nice about you and तू पूरा ये चांस गवा दिया तूने.
अच्छा out me.
हाँ बोल दो बुरा मान रही है ऑलरेडी. बोलो.
पूरा माचिस का काम करते हो आलतू बाबा.
मैं नहीं केरोसिन का काम करता हूँ मैं.
नहीं हाँ.
माचिस तो है, आप तो ये लगाते हो, चिंगारी लगाते हो. मैं तो बस करता हूँ.
मैंने कहा चिंगारी लगाई.
अच्छा अभी कॉल करके क्या बोला आपने?
क्या बोला?
भटको मत.
उन्होंने नहीं बोला. मैंने तेरे को बोला.
हाँ, तू भटका रही. तू चिंगारी लगा रही है.
कुछ ऐसा नहीं.
You're the arsonist.
You know आलतू तो करेगा ना एक दिन तो लाइफ में सच्ची में ना कोई प्रॉब्लम में फंसेगा ना. लोग बोलेंगे ये आलतू बाबा को बिलीव नहीं कर सकते.
वाह.
हाँ.
वो क्या था? वो क्या?
सभी को
शेर आया.
सच में शेर आया.
भाग शेर आया शेर. हाँ एग्जैक्टली. मोहल्ले में ढेर का केर. वेरी गुड. लेकिन मीनाक्षी जी आपसे पूछना मांगता है बिकॉज आई हैव लर्नड अ लॉट फ्रॉम यू मीनाक्षी जी. आप विजडम जो है क्या?
आप लोगों से सीखने को मिलता है हमें तो.
हेलो एक्सक्यूज मी, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि मुझे बहुत सीखा हूँ. लेकिन आप बताइए, आप किसी से कुछ सीखा, आपने कुछ देखा है जो आप शेयर करना चाहते हो हमारे साथ?
हाँ
हाँ
मैंने अपनी कजन भाभी हैं उनके साथ मैंने बहुत टाइम स्पेंड किया था बैक इन इंडिया जब मेरी शादी भी नहीं हुई थी तो उनसे मुझे सीखने को मिला ना पहले ना मैं मुस्कुराती नहीं थी और हमेशा ना माथे पे थोड़ा ओड़ी बड़ी रहती थी इसके लिए मुझे घर पे डांट भी पड़ती थी बहुत
हाँ।
कि क्या शक्ल में हमेशा 12 बजा के रखती हो मुस्कुराती नहीं हो
12
बहुत
बजा
डांट
के
पड़ती थी इस बात के लिए मुझे
हाँ।
मैंने उनसे सीखा कि आदमी कैसे जिंदा दिली से
हाँ
जी सकता है और मुस्कुरा सकता है
अरे सो स्वीट
जो बहुत ही ज्यादा कूल थी कोई प्रॉब्लम भी होगी तो द वे शी ऑलवेज हैंडल्ड हर प्रॉब्लम तो उससे मुझे बड़ा इंस्पिरेशन मिला
हाँ
तो उसके बाद से मैंने हंसना या मुस्कुराना किया
सो स्वीट
वाओ
सो
Really?
स्वीट वेरी
तो ये
नाइस
सब हाँ सीरियसली बिल्कुल सीरियस बात कर रही
तो
हूँ।
मतलब वैसे आप बहुत खड़ूस थे क्या?
हाँ मतलब पहले पता नहीं मैं मुस्कुराती नहीं थी मतलब इवन मैं अपने
हाँ
12th से पहले या ग्रेजुएशन में तो थोड़ा ठीक हो गया था 12th से पहले जो अगर मैं अपनी पिक्स देखूंगी निकाल के उसमें हमेशा मेरे शक्ल पे 12 ही बजे रहेंगे कि एकदम स्टोरी चढ़ी हुई है चेहरे पर और मुस्कुराहट नहीं है पता नहीं क्यों मैं क्यों नाराज थी जिंदगी से मुझे नहीं पता
हाँ मैं what I was going to say not the question of smile I think the question of your outlook on life I'm talking
Yeah,
about
yeah.
It's not because I think everybody if at all you don't want to smile it's your choice don't smile doesn't matter I think your outlook is worth talking about very nice thank it's something to notice I don't know one thing I like about Faltoni is the fact that she also always has a smile on her face it's very nice Faltoni
आप दोनों से ही वो सीख ले रहा है
मैं तो always मैं तो चिंता में तो always क्या आप ऐसे बोल रहे हो
चिंता में रहता है
अरे चिंता में है आप तो
नहीं
देखो,
नहीं
मैं फेस देखो
मैं बताती हूँ
मेरा
एक
मेरा
मिनट
face देखो,
ये
क्या
कोई
बात-
चिंता विंता नहीं है ये चिंता ता चिता चिता
Hey.
चिंता उसका चिता लगाता
Hey.
है हाँ।
मैं भी तो वही बोल रही हूँ चिंता को चिता लगा दो आप तो
कुछ भी आप लोग ना मैं बहुत सीरियस टाइप बंदा इमोशनल बंदा हूँ लेकिन फालतू ऐसा नहीं है फालतू नहीं हंसमुख है
ये आपके अंदर जो जिंदा दिली है एक छोटा बच्चा है ना उससे बहुत सीखने को मिलता है और फालतू रानी तो खैर इंटेलेक्ट के मामले में बहुत उनसे तो हमेशा ही रोज सीखने को मिलता है
क्या 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 कुछ भी
फालतू ने तेरे से बहुत
कुछ
सीखने
भी
को
नहीं
मिला।
कह रही मैं
नहीं मैं तो फालतू आई टोटली एग्री विद मीनाक्षी जी हियर तू ना बहुत अच्छा अब पॉजिटिव आउटलुक देना कोई फालतू नहीं सीखे
पॉजिटिव आउटलुक हाँ
हाँ वो इम्पोर्टेंट है राइट फालतू नहीं
हाँ वो मैंने
अपना पुंगी बत बजा बजा
नहीं नहीं
मैं
मैंने
पंप
वो
रहा
सीखा एक्चुअली जैसे आपने बताया ना मीनाक्षी जी
हाँ
कि आपकी जो
खाली आंटी थी कजिन वाली कौन थी
मासी थी क्या
मासी
वो?
वाली कजिन
नहीं मेरे कदर है उनकी वाइफ
हाँ।
कजिन की वाइफ
तो वैसे
हाँ,
मैं ना मेरी जो जनरल नेचर थी या है या व्हेन आई वाज यंग नहीं थी
हाँ।
इज ऑलवेज ये था कि व्हाट्स गोइंग टू हैपन लाइक अगर कोई अच्छी चीज हो रही है तो हमेशा ऐसा लगता था कि
नहीं, she was
कुछ
very-
ना कुछ बुरा होने वाला
अरे
है
शी वाज वेरी टेंशन
Wait,
फ्री मतलब
man.
फ्री में टेंशन लेती थी
और ये
बहुत
बहुत खूबसूरत ड्रेस है तो उस ड्रेस में खामी है मेरे दिमाग मेरी नजर पहले उसके ऊपर जाती
खामी
थी
के ऊपर जाती थी
हाँ exactly one
Judgmental.
small little thread is out of place I'd be like oh my god that is not okay
Oh,
कि,
no.
यहाँ
यहाँ पे डेंट है वहाँ पे स्क्रैच है
I'll to stop
और एम्फसाइजिंग
तो
बोलने तो दो
हाँ
मुझे बोलने तो बोल रहे हैं
तो जो मैंने सीखा हाँ exactly
हाँ
तो ये जो मैंने सीखा वो मैं पास से सीखा जिन्होंने कहा मुझे at the age of I think 7 I think he told me that if I always look at that the negative aspect of life will be very hard to live
वाह
so उन्होंने बोला कि हर एक बंदे में हर एक even animal thing beautiful there's something beautiful because it's a creation of God
Exactly.
and look at the point always find what is beautiful about that particular and it's truly something that you can train yourself that's something that I actually learned over time अभी भी लगता है कि you know you automatically human beings हैं हम लोग जज करते हैं कि दिमाग में आता है लेकिन immediately एक another aspect of it comes into play where you're mindful and you know that okay no I'm you know this is my cognitive distortion I need to change this
वाह फालतू ने क्या क्या यूज कर दी तूने वर्ड्स माय गॉड वाह या वेरी गुड आई एम वेरी
नहीं I agree with you that otherwise life becomes very difficult so
You know, मैं अभी चैन का सांस ले सकता हूँ by the way.
हाँ, तू चैन का सांस क्यों?
Yeah, I finally trained you very well, फाल्तू रानी. कभी कभार मुझे ना लगता कि ना ये मेरी गुरुदक्षिणा है फाल्तू रानी, ये मेरी गुरुदक्षिणा है.
हाय हाय
गुरु दक्षिणा तू
आपने
मेरा
क्या सीखा हुआ है आलतू बाबा? किससे क्या सीखा?
मैंने तो
आप कभी share
मैं
नहीं करते
सबसे
कुछ भी
सीखता हूँ, मैं अभी भी सीख रहा हूँ. देखो मैं अपनी
वो तो
शागिर्द
लाइफ इज अ स्कूल.
हाँ?
आप अगर लाइफ रोज आप नई चीजें सीखते हो, आप शायद 2 साल के बच्चे से भी बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हो. आप इवन नॉन लिविंग थिंग से भी बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हो अगर सीखने वाला इंसान हो तो. तो
हाँ.
सीखना तो प्रकृति है इंसान की, जो
Correct.
सीखता रहेगा उम्र भर.
करेक्ट.
उसे तो छोड़ दो.
हाँ.
आपने क्या सीखा वो बताओ.
मैंने अपने कुत्तों से सीखा है
अच्छा.
प्यार कैसे करते हैं.
हाँ.
अनकंडीशनल लव मैंने अपने कुत्तों से सीखा है ब्रदर.
बिल्कुल
I'm sorry. Anything you show, Faltoni is right about that. Anything and everything you can take inspiration from, learn from. And my dogs have shown me what love is, and that's what I want to give everybody out there.
I want to share one more thing. Can I share?
बता ना
Can I
Faltoni.
share?
अब तू
क्योंकि
share.
तू हमेशा
Yeah,
टाइम
please.
लेता है. ये इसके लिए आलतू कुछ नहीं बोलेगा 100%, क्योंकि there's one thing I've learned from Altu Baba, and I want to share this with everybody. One thing I've learned is, no matter how tense or how horrible a situation you're going through, keep a level head and keep your cool. बाहर कुछ नहीं दिखाने का. You have to stay. There will be a way you can figure something. I've learned that one thing from him. I mean, of course, अब मेरे चेहरे पे सब दिख जाता है. It's hard for me to like put on a cool exterior. Like when it comes down to the wire, he always has, no matter how mean or how hot person has hit him, he will actually उनके गले मिलेगा. He will actually, नहीं seriously,
हाँ मुझे पता है ये क्वालिटी आलतू बाबा की.
हेलो एक्सक्यूज मी, ये अच्छा क्वालिटी है भाई.
ये जितना
हाँ
भी
ये बहुत अच्छा आपसे रोज सीखने को मिलता है आलतू बाबा. आपको ना लोगों को दिखता है खाली मजाक कर रहे हो, मस्ती, लेकिन आप जब वो चीजें करते हो ना उससे बहुत इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है.
अरे थैंक यू सो मच मीनाक्षी जी. मैं तो आज फुले ना समाया. मैं तो खुशी के पागल हो गया.
Oh my God!
जब आपका कोई विद्यार्थी ऐसा आपके बारे में अच्छा बोले ना.
विद्यार्थी, तेरे को शर्म करनी चाहिए आलतू बाबा.
क्या रे?
विद्यार्थी नहीं हूँ मैं तुम्हारी.
अच्छा लेगा फालतू नहीं. तो मेरा एकलव्य है ये एक्चुअली. डजंट मैटर, ये छोड़ो. डजंट मैटर, ये कलयुग है, मैं मानता हूँ तो चलेगा. हे बट आपने डायलॉग के बारे में बात नहीं किया. व्हाट इज दिस?
हाँ डायलॉग वो आपके फेवरेट हीरो के फेवरेट हीरो का है.
मेरे
शाहरुख खान.
हाँ शाहरुख खान. कौन सी मूवी? रईस. एग्जैक्टली.
वार ट्रो. एंड आपका कॉल आते ही ना मुझे, आई टेल यू ऑलवेज, आई रियली मीन इट, व्हेनेवर यू कॉल आई फील वेरी नाइस.
मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मैं इसलिए रोज कॉल करती हूँ.
थैंक यू सो
आप
मच.
दोनों से बातें करके बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
एंड ये गाना आई एम डेडिकेटिंग इट टू यू, स्पेशली ओनली यू मीनाक्षी जी.
Yes. What a
Thank
beautiful
you.
song.
Yeah,
Nice.
to end the show, this song फाल्तनी.
Yeah.
मीनाक्षी एंट्री मारते ऐसे लगता है मेरे को भी.
अच्छा.
बजाओ.
मैंने तो कहीं एंट्री भी नहीं मारी आपके सामने.
ये हेलो, ये तो एंट्री ना आपका.
क्या
मेरा
हुआ?
वाला कॉल.
या सिम्बा. क्या? I'm waiting for Suryavanshi, dude.
Hey, आएगा डोंट वरी. एंड मीनाक्षी थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट. आप ऐसे कॉल करते रहेगा एंड हंसते रहेगा, जीते रहेगा एंड ऑल सब कुछ करेगा. ओके.
Thank you so much for calling in.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You
Bye-bye.
too. Bye-bye.
एंड इसी के साथ बच्चा हम बोलने वाले हैं नया दौर स्टार्ट हो गया है. हमारे सिम्बा ने बाइडन आ गया ब्रिटेन इन द व्हाइट हाउस अलॉन्ग विद देवी. श्री देवी नहीं, कमला देवी. इसी के साथ बोलने वाले हम लोग आपको बंदन. हैव अ वंडरफुल टाइम. आई होप यू एंजॉय द शो as much as we enjoy presenting. You can stay on with us and listen to wonderful music on our Radio Hotties app if you download it. Free on iOS and also on Android Bandajan. तो फाल्तनी कुछ कहना चाहती है जाने से पहले?
We will be back tomorrow morning right here on Good Morning Babe and Jan. Keep it live and keep it happy right here on Radio D Hotties. Good night, Shabba Khair and प्यार भरा.
From the movie Simba. Singing by Nakash Aziz, Neha Kakar, lyrics by Kumar. आप सोचे म्यूजिक कौन दिया है? लीजो जॉर्ज.
दिखा दूं तुझे मेरा वाला डांस, ये है मेरा वाला डांस, ये है मेरा डांस, ये है मेरा वाला डांस।